How to redeem code in Lagofast. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search lagofast.com. You will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Download for Windows. If it's other devices, you can click on Products at the top and select the one you prefer. After you've downloaded, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, click on Redeem Code at the top right corner of your screen. Then you will need to log into your account. Use any method available. After you've logged in, you will find this kind of screen. In here, type in your code and you can redeem your code. This is how to redeem code in Lagofast. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.